I'm very disappointed with Peak Design. Their lifetime warranty is not really lifetime. Hi, it's Peter here and let's get right into the business. I'll show you my broken Peak Design 15-inch messenger bag in this video.
It's a convenient bag, even though, the zipper of the laptop compartment is broken. And
the zipper of the laptop compartment is broken. A few commented that Peak Design has a lifetime warranty in its products. I did not know that, even though I have a few products from them. Backpack, tripod and 2 wrist cuffs. And of course the broken messenger bag. All of them have served me well and are really high quality products. Thank you very much for letting me know about the lifetime warranty. It's much appreciated. I went to their website and filled out the form. I needed the receipt, product number and photos. I sent all the required things. They replied the next day, very fast. They wanted more pictures/videos. I was a bit surprised because I had a very clear photo of the broken zipper. The reason they needed more photos was because of documentation purposes. To be honest, I'm not interested in their documentation purposes. I was only interested in how they handled the warranty. It turns out that they get a lot of false warranty claims. Basically, they said that they did not trust me. I sent them the receipt and the unique product number. Not sure how that can be seen as a fraud. The bag was identified by its unique number. Maybe someone had used the number to claim a new bag, I don't know. I did send them the link to the video I mentioned. That was enough so that they believed me. The 15-inch messenger bag is not made anymore, so they offered me a 13-inch messenger bag or V2 20-liter backpack. The problem for me is that the laptop won't fit in the 13-inch messenger bag. For me, it's not a replacement, and a backpack is a totally different product. I made them 2 suggestions. I get an estimate here on how much the repair would cost, and they would then send me something I needed/wanted, which has the same value as the repair would cost. The second suggestion was that I could get a new 15-inch messenger bag from a dealer here in Finland. There is at least one that has it. They could then sort it out behind the scenes. They make amazing products, but in my case, that ruined the brand with an awful customer experience. I really thought that Peak Design was an agile company that could creatively solve problems. They turn out to be a bureaucratic corporation that does things in their own processes in mind. The person who has been communicating with me is not to blame. It's Peak Design, the company, that is not flexible. They have stiff bureaucratic ways. Very disappointed. This video is something I did not want to make because it's not my nature to publicly say bad things about anything or anyone. But for some reason I'm so disappointed that I just had to share this with you. Not sure what I'm going to do. Most likely I will get it fixed here if the cost is not more than a new one. My new bag won't be a Peak Design bag. Do you have any suggestion for good camera bags like the messenger bag is? And here is the video about the travel gear when I talked about that bag. Thanks for watching and bye for now.